Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Durango headlight. First, you'll want to turn your steering wheel completely to the side where you're replacing the bulb. This gives you better access to the wheel well. Next, locate the small access panel inside the fender liner. Gently twist the cap counterclockwise to remove it, revealing the bulb housing. This simple step opens your path to the headlight. Now reach your hand inside the access opening to locate the headlight bulb. It might be a tight squeeze, so take your time. Once you have a grip, twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Then, gently pull the bulb straight out. You'll see an electrical connector attached. Carefully pinch the tab and pull to disconnect the old bulb. With the old bulb removed, take your new headlight bulb. It's crucial to avoid touching the glass part with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Connect the new bulb to the electrical harness. Carefully align the bulb with its housing, push it in, and then twist it clockwise until it securely locks into place. You should feel it click. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully put the access cap back into its opening and twist it clockwise until it's snug and secure. Make sure all wires are neatly tucked away to prevent any damage. Before you finish, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it's working properly. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Dodge Durango headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.